Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Michael Kuluva and today I'm gonna have a special unboxing for you. This unboxing today is gonna be unlike any others I have done yet. I am so excited. I am so pumped. I can't even wait to share this with you guys. These pieces that I got today are so rare. I can't even believe I got them. I'm like, oh my God. So first things first, click the subscribe button, hit the like, and make sure to comment below, okay? I love to hear from you guys. I always respond. So, and I love to hear your thoughts, especially about these new pieces. So let's get to it. First of all, I'm gonna tell you a little story of what happened today. So as you guys know, we are in a pandemic still, and I have been shopping online as much as everyone else has. And I just been like looking and, eyeing some stuff out, and I finally was able to get an appointment with my SA. If you guys don't know what that means, it means sales associate at Hermes. And I was so lucky because of everything that's been going on. They've been kind of open, they've been kind of closed, they've been going back and forth. I already had one appointment get canceled because of just things like protests and other matters. They were just afraid of having the customers there on top of being open at that time. So long and behold, I have been very, very patient, as we all have. So when I was able to actually be like, okay, I'm gonna make the journey to Hermes today. I am going to park my car and get out and go right to the store and then right back. So I made very conscious effort, my face mask, my glasses, everything to the nines. So when I got there, I thought the appointment was at 11, but it was actually 12. So I had an hour just to go around. And of course, not many things are open. And if they are open, it's by appointment only. So I was just able to, went to Gucci, that did not have a line, thank goodness. And I went to Chanel, and I was able to hang out at Chanel for a little bit, take a little peruse around. But this is what's so exciting. I came back from my appointment and my SA met me. I was waiting a little bit because, they have little increments now. They're 30 to 45 minute slots that you can have with your SA. There's only 3 to 4, maybe 5 customers at most at the store, which is a flagship store. So it's a pretty big store. It's 2 different levels. It's pretty large. So I'm gonna say that, you guys, this is so much of a different experience. You walk in, you get your hand sanitized, they give you gloves, you put these plastic gloves on, which you can still use your phone or whatever. So it was actually really cool. You can still feel the texture of things. And I also felt safe. I felt really safe there. I felt like everyone was keeping a distance. I felt like I could shop in peace. It was very quiet. I took my time. I wasn't rushed. I didn't have a lot of people hovering over me. It was definitely a different experience, which I actually enjoyed. I really did enjoy it. So let me get back on track. So anyways, what's in here? So my SA, I've been asking for the So Black Rodeo charm. These are very rare to come by, and I've been waiting for a few years for it. Actually, I've been just like, hey, when one comes up, and it's never been my luck. But I think there might be one in here. And there's something else really special. The smallest Hermes bag in the world is in here. I know. So let's get to it. Let's get to the unboxing. My SA brought me out the Rodeo that we've already talked about, so I was really excited. When I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, this is it. This is the one. So I pack it up. And then we went upstairs, and I was trying on the new Kelly 25. I think it's called the Depeche or something like that. Don't quote me on that name. I'm horrible with some of the names with Hermes. I don't speak French fluently at all, so for me, some of these names are a stretch. But it is a man's bag that's a Kelly clutch with a handle. It's really, really cute. It's a size 25, and I loved it. I loved the price was great. I thought the bag was great. And then I was just looking at that, and I was like, well, do you have this and that and that? And she's like, I think I might have one in the back. I think the one just came in, and there's only one available. And let me go see if they have it. And I waited and waited, and I went around the store. I was looking at everything, and I was like in suspense. I had my fingers crossed. I was like, oh my gosh, please. And she comes out and she's like, we have it. Here it is. I was like, so I was like, I don't even really need to see. I was like, pack it up. Let's go. Yes. I was so excited. So now I wanted to share all of this with you guys. So here it is, my 2 treasures of today. These are super rare. These are super limited edition Hermes pieces. This might be my rarest unboxing ever. I have like a lot of pieces, as you guys know, but this might take the cake for the unboxing videos, okay? So here we go. First things first. I do have the prices. I can tell you guys a little bit about them, but I think that you guys kind of know what they are. I think you guys have seen, or you can research it, you can Google these prices. I don't really need to go over it. I think you guys know the ballpark of these, especially if you're watching this video, you kind of know. So, number 1, number 2. Yes. So this is the first one, and I'm so excited. Ah! So here we go. Ooh. Yes, I love that. This ribbon is everything. So the ribbon, so you guys know. Oh, I thought it usually has the year on it, but this one doesn't. This one just has a regular Hermes. Sometimes they have the year on them. I was wondering, but here, let's open this up. Okay. This is the MM size of the Rodeo, so black. This is the newest one that just came out. I do have an original one from 2010-11 era, but it's quite used. So this one is the brand new one, and this is, oh, it even smells so good. Yeah, this is that. I love it. The tag underneath actually has a stamp of YAA, and then it says Hermes Paris. You guys can see that. Yeah, it is gorgeous. I love this. This has been something I've been like dying to get a new one of, because my other one's so worn out, but it's gonna find another home. I probably will resell it to somebody that will be in dire need of what I wanted at that time. I love to reshare things, and if things I get doubles of, like this is a double for me, I'm gonna resell the other one. I'm not a hogger. I'm not gonna keep it all. But now this is what I'm so excited. I have been seeing this on Instagram. I have been seeing this on so many people's feeds, on so many social media. It has become like an urban myth almost. I was like, I don't even know if I'm ever gonna be able to get one, especially from the store. The store, like, these are so rare. They are so hard to make, and that's why that is such a problem. But here we go. I know, I'm so excited. I can't even believe it. Okay. I'm like, I want to be delicate with the paper. I'm like, oh my God. Okay. Here it comes in. I just get like chills just thinking about it. Oh, here it is. This is the world's smallest Kelly handbag. Hermes, fully functional. Has a twilly around the top, like you can see in my other bags. These are old twillies on top. It can be hung from your bag as a charm. You can take it out for a night on the town. And let me open it. So you guys know, this is the toggle switch right here. It moves just like a regular Kelly bag. And it opens up. And opens up. And opens up. It is like, I'm just being so delicate with it. I'm so nervous. Like, oh my God, it's so cute. Inside, it says, if you guys can read it, barely see it, it says Hermes right there. The stamp is right inside, just like a normal Kelly would be. And wow. I am just like, I can't even believe it. It is so cute. I love it. Like, I am just like dying over it. So this one particularly, I'm gonna tell you right now, it's on the box here. This is the, okay, so this is the black. You'll see there's like the little feet, like the attention to detail's amazing. Like you can just see, like, it's just so amazing. But this is the black with gold, and then it says the Rouge Vert, which means I'm guessing is because of the Twilly. So these take the artisans even longer sometimes to make than the actual handbags because of how small it is. Like, I have never seen, like, this is just so cute. Like, oh my goodness. Okay, you guys, so that was my unboxing today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Please make sure to subscribe below, hit the like button, comment below. I love to hear your thoughts on my new itty bitty Kelly Hermes black with gold. So rare, so in demand. I'm like, I can't believe it. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Be safe. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.